Hey everyone, welcome to Arivilm. So in this video, we are going to create a presentation design using zoom effect in PowerPoint. So before we continue this video, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Let's get started. For this, let's create the slides first. Go to gamma.app. So here you can select how many cards you want. So I want only 4 cards. Cards are nothing but slides. So here you can type your information like create a presentation on, let's take AI. Click on generate outline. So now you can see it is creating 4 outlines. That is this is the topic of each slides. Now here you can choose how you want, like a image or any settings you can provide. And now click on continue. And you can select the theme. Okay, I'm going to select some darker theme. Okay, this one. I'm going to select this one and click on generate. Okay, this will prepare your slide. As you can see here, since we have selected 4 cards, it will create 4 slides for you. Okay, so click on share. Here click on export to PowerPoint. It is downloaded now. Click on this. Now as you can see, it is created. So now I'm going to delete this image. Go to insert menu, go to zoom. So here I'm going to select slide zoom option. Select all the other 3 slides. I'm going to keep these 3 slides in first slide, so that is why I'm selecting all the 3 slides. Click on insert. Now you can see it is created the zoom. So this is called zoom. So first we will arrange them. I'm going to keep this here, keep this here. Right. So if you want to add any effects, we can add it here. For example, go to zoom, or we can add this effect. This one I always like, so I'm going to select this effect. Now you can see them here, and every time you click this link, it will open the second slide, and this will open the third slide and fourth slide. And again, if you want to come back to the first slide, here select this zoom option. In zoom menu, here there is a checkbox called return to zoom. So this will return back to the first slide. So I'm going to give this for all the zoom. Now let's run this. Go to slideshow from beginning. So this is our first slide. This is our second one. And when I click, it will return back to the first one. Okay, that's all for the video. Thanks for watching.